If your Logitech mouse is lagging, not clicking properly, or refusing to connect, resetting it is often the quickest way to clear whatever is causing the issue. These mice store connection data and settings, and over time, that can get corrupted, especially if you switch devices or experience signal interference. When that happens, the mouse may behave unpredictably or stop responding altogether. A reset essentially wipes that stored state and allows the mouse to reconnect cleanly, just like it did the first time. The process is simple, but doing it in the right sequence makes all the difference. Follow along and you'll have it working again in no time. Try these. 1. Turn the mouse off using the power switch on the bottom. 2. Remove the battery or disconnect the internal power source briefly. 3. Wait for a short moment to allow a full reset. 4. Reinsert the battery and turn the mouse back on. 5. Reconnect the mouse using Bluetooth or USB receiver. 6. Test movement and clicks to confirm it's functioning normally.